Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we have a treat for all you interior design enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of rugs and carpets, uncovering everything you need to know to choose, care for, and style these fabulous floor coverings. So, grab a pen and paper because this is the ultimate guide to rugs and carpets. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another home decor video. Let's kick things off by exploring the different types of rugs and carpets available. Understanding these categories will help you make an informed choice for your space. Modern, these carpets and rugs feature contemporary designs often characterized by abstract patterns, bold colors, and innovative textures. Vintage rugs and carpets come with unique patterns and designs that reflect the artistic styles of a particular era. They can add character and charm to a room. Wall-to-wall, such carpets cover the entire floor of a room from wall to wall. It's typically installed using adhesives or tacks and provides a consistent, uniform look to a space. Now that you know the types, let's talk about choosing the perfect rug or carpet for your home. Size and placement. Pick a rug or carpet that fits the room's size and furniture arrangement. Ensure it's large enough to anchor the space or comfortably accommodate furniture legs. Material and durability. Choose a material based on foot traffic. For busy areas, opt for durable materials like wool or synthetics. Natural fibers are softer but may need more care. Outdoor spaces need weather-resistant rugs. Style and design. Match the style and colors of carpets and rugs with your room's decor. Consider patterns that align with your space. Geometric for modern, intricate for traditional. Create a balanced look by coordinating textures and colors. Your investment in a beautiful rug or carpet doesn't end at the checkout. Proper care and maintenance are key to keeping it looking its best. Regular vacuuming. Regular vacuuming is essential to prevent dirt, dust, and debris from settling into the fibers of your rugs and carpets. Quick spill cleanup. Accidents happen, so it's important to address spills promptly. Spot the spill with a clean cloth to soak up as much liquid as possible. Protective padding. Using pads under heavy furniture can help distribute weight and minimize indentations on carpets and rugs. Now that you've chosen and cared for your rug or carpet, let's dive into styling tips to elevate your home decor. Layering and contrast. Layering rugs is a creative way to add depth and contrast to your space. This technique can draw attention to specific areas while also adding style to your decor. Centered placement. Place a large rug or carpet at the center of a room, aligning it with the focal point. This creates a balanced and cohesive look, anchoring the entire space. Angled placement. Install a rug or carpet at an angle to introduce a dynamic and visually engaging element to your room. Upgrade your space by purchasing stunning carpets and rugs from Fixing Expert. Discover our extensive collection online and in-store, featuring a wide array of styles and designs to cater to your preferences. With our expert guidance, selecting the perfect pieces becomes an enjoyable experience. Trust us to not only provide top-notch carpets and rugs but also offer seamless installation services. That's a wrap on the ultimate guide to rugs and carpets. We hope this comprehensive video has equipped you with the knowledge and inspiration to make your home more inviting and stylish with these fabulous floor coverings. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow decor enthusiasts. And of course, if you have any questions or tips to add, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy decorating!